We did was care for each other, but the night was warm. We were bold and young. All around, the wind blows. We would only hold on to let go. Focus, fire gun. We need someone to lean on.
Hey y'all, it's Grace back with another YouTube video. So today I was thinking I was going to do a hair tutorial. I apologize for the way my hair looks right now. I'm just about to throw it up, so I just didn't worry about it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my average messy bun with a little bit of a twist, and then I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid into a messy bun again with a little bit of a twist. So let's get started. Okay, so first what you're going to need is for this messy bun is just 2 ponytail holders. It doesn't really matter. They can be thick, they can be skinny, they can be elastics. If you do use elastics, be sure to double up those so they don't break. Okay, so for the first step, what we're going to do is we're just going to take our hair. I'm going to use a thick ponytail holder, and I'm just going to put my hair up into a high ponytail right where I want my bun to be. And then we're just going to tie it into a regular average ponytail. Okay, so as soon as we have that where we want it, we're just going to take the hair and we're literally just going to spread it around the ponytail as evenly as possible. Just like imagine you have a sock bun going on. And so then what we're going to do is we're going to take one hand and we're just going to collect all of this hair. We're going to pull it out just a little bit at the top just to get the right amount out that we want. And then we're going to take our second hairband and we are going to put it over top of this one. I'm going to have to switch hands here. Okay, so we got our bun, we want to pull it out a little bit, add to the messy effect we got going on. So what we're going to do next is, you can add another ponytail holder right now if you want one. I think I'm going to be okay with the one I have right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these pieces that are spread out all around our head and we're going to just take a little section at a time and we are going to curl it backwards towards the bun. And we are going to stick the end of it in our ponytail holder, just like that. And then we're going to continue to do that all the way around the bun until we get all of our loose pieces into one spot. Okay, so now that we have all of our pieces tucked in, what I like to do, since I used a ponytail to like securely make a ponytail for the bun, I like to just take some pieces, just kind of tug on your hair a little bit and pull it out of that ponytail a little bit just to make it more loose and more messy looking, to add to that effect. Pull some pieces out in the back, just not enough that they're coming out of your ponytail completely. So once we do that, I like to pull these pieces down just to add a little messiness to it. And then for the final step, I just like to take a few bobby pins and pin them into place just to make sure that it's secure and that it's not going to go anywhere. Like this piece back here, you can see that it's looking pretty loose, so I'm just going to stick a bobby pin in there and make sure it is nice and secure. Alright guys, there you have it. There's the messy bun. I do like to just take a little bit of hairspray and spray it on there as soon as I'm done, just to hold it in place. So yeah. Alright guys, so here we go with hairstyle number 2. So you again are gonna need 2 hair bands and some bobby pins. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start just by parting your hair normally, however you would. Maybe just add, like I would normally part my hair like right about here, but I'm gonna take it a little bit over here just to get some extra hair. I have bangs, and I particularly like this style because I can get my bangs out of my face and don't have to worry about them falling down throughout the day.